Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. Let's study a question for today. What is atmospheric refraction? Use this phenomena to explain the following natural events. The first is twinkling of stars, and the other one is the advanced sunrise and the delayed sunset, and we have to explain our answer with suitable diagrams. Alright, so let's just go through what is atmospheric refraction. So I've just written the definition on the board. So it is a refraction of light caused by the Earth's atmosphere due to change in the refractive indices of the different layers of the atmosphere. So what happens is that we are knowing that our Earth, or we can say the universe, is surrounded by the layers of air above it. So if we say that, that's our Earth, and then we have the layers of air around it, and then further we have the vacuum. So the density of the air is decreasing as we are going above. So we can also say that the refractive index is also decreasing as we're going above, which means that there is a change in refractive indexes when we are reaching above a certain height. This is called atmospheric refraction. Let us talk about the twinkling of stars. Stars are distant point sources of light. The path of the rays of light coming from the distant star goes on varying due to atmospheric refraction. Thus, the apparent position of the star fluctuates and the amount of light entering the eye flickers, giving the twinkling effect to the star. So, if we say that these are the various layers of the air above the atmosphere, and let this be the star. Alright, so suppose the light is coming like this, so it is going to bend towards the normal, further towards the normal, and further towards the normal. So what we will feel is that the light is coming from this position. So this is going to be the apparent position. This is going to be the apparent position of the star, and this is the real position of the star. So every time we are seeing that the path is getting changed because of the atmospheric refraction, and that's the reason why the stars appears to twinkle at night. Let us talk about the advanced sunrise and the delayed sunset. So, the solution for this is again in the term atmospheric refraction. So, let's just talk about the advanced sunrise. What happens is that when the sun is slightly below the horizon, light rays coming from the sun travel from rarer to denser layers of the air. As a result of the atmospheric refraction of light, light appears to come from a higher position above the horizon. Therefore, the sun appears earlier than the actual sunrise. So, let us just try to make a diagram of it and try to understand it. So, let's just make our earth first. Alright, so that's our earth, and we'll just make the two layers of the atmosphere. So let this be the first layer of atmosphere, and let this be the other layer of atmosphere. So we can say that sun is here right now. Okay, so that's the sun, and it is below the horizon right now. So suppose the light is going everywhere, so we can say that the light is striking at this place. Because it is moving, the light is coming like this, it is going to again move towards the normal. It is moving from the rarer to the denser medium, and then again a normal drawn here and here. So let this be the person who is standing and observing the sun. So to this person who is observing the sun, it will appear to him that the rays are coming from this position. So let this be the horizon for this person. So we can say that actually this was the real position of the sun and this is the apparent position of the sun. So this explains the advanced sunrise, that is, the sun is actually has risen though it is right now below the horizon. The similar reason is for the delayed sunset, that is, during sunset the apparent position of the sun is visible to us and not the actual position due to the same bending of light rays effect. Therefore, because of refraction, we see the sunset afterwards, although it has already actually moved from its position. So, I hope I was able to make you understand this topic well, because this is one of the most important topic for class 10th. So, if you have any doubt, please do let me know. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.